the subway, and today is Saturday, and we are helping our mom. She can take a rest. So now first we need to put some lettuce here.
Yeah, spread it out.
Yeah.
Put little bit, then we're gonna do 4.
Okay. Now put cheese. Yeah. Now put cheese.
You want to put first the tomato, then you can put it. We're putting cheese because Ara like cheese.
Yeah. I think only this one. Now we are gonna add some cucumbers.
Yeah. Put here.
No, put it here.
2 of them.
Yeah, I think it's enough now. Okay, now we're gonna put. Now we're gonna put red pepper.
That is not spicy anyways. The mercury is spicy.
I mean. Okay. I think now we're gonna put some tomatoes. I think we're gonna put here too because I think here is full. That's why.
Okay. And we're gonna put some dipping. We like
Dressing?
dressing.
Okay,
But
with?
not this.
Okay.
I think now it's done.
Yeah, you can put some dressing.
You
Yeah.
can put dipping.
Yes.
And little bit.
Okay. Now dressing time. I'm gonna this one.
Because we don't want to waste some. Now we're gonna
close it. Yeah.
carefully.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Stuff is
Now
ready.
so is ready.
No.
So, are you gonna eat?
Yeah.
Can I have it? Please, can I have it?
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
And
thank you.
you can have.
Oh, you guys eating from once away.
Yeah.
You sharing. Sharing is caring.
Hi guys, welcome back to Aryan Aryan channel. I'm Aryan. Aryan is coming, so I'm gonna just teach you first. So we get a ball, a basketball, then just see and just throw it. Yes, my son. If you didn't score, then keep trying and keep trying. After you know.
Yeah, I need to.
Just see and focus and then go. But sometimes I am trying to focus, but
Guys, careful for the cars, and I know to play the basketball.
yeah. But sometimes we don't score it.
Yeah.
See guys, I scored it. Oh, so close. So close.
In the next video.
Keep trying, guys, so you can. Score.
Anyways,
Score.
Good job.
Oh, thank you.
No,
Welcome.
he's not finished right now.
Did you do?
See?
Good job, Ayan.